Hi guys, this is for Barbara. Barbara, this is your new system for the bird feeders. This one's for you. If you want to refill the one on my left, which is maybe your right, when you're walking out of the kitchen, this is what you do. Take this rope right here, follow it to the anchor point, undo that anchor point, gently let it go. Smooth as a baby's bottom, and much more efficient. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up with Reese's Pieces or whatever you do. Use the pulley and anchor it again down here. Floomp. Done. You want to do the one on my right, your left, same system. Just the other loop. Let her fall, let her fall. Boom, boom, boom. Fill it up. More Reese's Pieces. Skittles, taste the rainbow. Bring it back up. Anchor it. Success. Thanks, guys. See you next time.